Okay, you guys
These
pay
tools,
attention.
you basically lift up and pull back this top one. And then if you let go, it comes back down to get ready to crimp. So you pull this one up, lift back, hold them together so they won't want to come back down. Then you take your fitting here, and you get it to about a fingernail's length away to the top there. You go ahead and put this on here like so. And you let go of it, so once it clicks down, now you can just kind of hold it like this or whatnot. And then you just give it a good squeeze. It's kind of hard, so you kind of give it your all. Then you just pull that back, it drops out. You know, that one is a perfect crimp. That will not leak.
No, we need this pan.
Yep. So go ahead, everyone, grab a ring and some pipe, and
Give
doing the small one here, so you can go ahead and do this one. And she's got the 3/4 ones, so these ones. Yep, you just do that. You lift up, pull back, and then you hold it there so it stays. So who's ever's ready for it. Yep, open it, and then pull back. So now hold them together though.
We're going to split them up inside.
I really like to do plumbing. I just replaced our kitchen sink.
Did you really?
Yeah,
That's
and
awesome.
faucet. It was really fun.
That's how I got into it, through the tech center that I went to. I went and did the plumbing program through. It's in Holland. I did the one through there. There you go. You're getting it.
Yeah.
Get it started. All right, go ahead and finish it off. It's pretty hard.
Got about 1 more minute, then we're going to
Yeah, if you can
move
get
back
out
out
the
where
blue
we
and
came
squeeze
from.
it, that'll work. So now you can keep that one. That's yours. And you got the smaller one there, so you go ahead and you'll take that ring and slide that up. That one's kind of stuck. All right, we will use this pipe. And we'll take this fitting right here. And we'll put a new ring on for you. Go ahead and take that. And then with these, all you do is lift this top handle up and pull back. And then you hold them together, because if you let go, it just will go right back down. Let's go ahead and try to open that up. Yep. Yeah. You got it all lined up. You're almost there too. So go ahead and finish it off. So there you go. Now you're all set. That's a crimp that won't come off now. All I did was finish it off. You're the one that had it up there. Yep.
Now you gotta crimp it.
Yep. So
How does
say.
it know to go right or left?
So these, well, it'll just go no matter what to wherever it goes. So say this is red for your hot line. So say your hot water in your bathroom.
There you go.
You go to turn your hot water on in your bathroom and your sink. That's
You
most
almost
likely
got it
going to
now.
be this size of the line, and that's what the hot water is going to come out of.
For the sink.
Yep. And then this could possibly go down. So say this is up in your wall. You're going to have this. This is going to come down. This is your main. All your hot water to your house.
Here, do it at the
This
same
comes
time as me.
down.
Ready?
This one's going to go
One,
to your,
2, 3.
your sink. Well, this one's going to continue
We're so
down to your
close.
shower. Because that's the only 2 hot waters you have.
What do you think?
The toilet is only cold.
Close it. Okay.
Yep,
Here,
yep.
finish
So
it
those
off.
will all come down through, and then you'll have everything
it out.
will be hooked up, connected.
So
with
all the
these
water
rings.
goes down here when it needs to, and
Yeah.
then if not, when you turn the water off, this stops. But I know that one.
So just got the.
No, you gotta open
Once
it.
you got your thing, come on this way. If you guys are all done here,
Got it.
grab it, come this way.
There you
Yeah.
go. Here you go.
Grab your pad of paper.
Nice.
Grab your pad of paper and your pen and head this way. Everybody got one?
I'll take that one off.
Everybody got
There
your
you go. You
stuff?
have that one.
Okay, if you did, grab your pad of paper.
Perfect.
Go right to the door.
Not a problem.